Good evening. I hope everyone is well. In celebration of my mum's 50th birthday, we have devised a food prize raffle giveaway. I just wanted to say a massive thank you for all the people contributing to this raffle. It does mean a lot to everyone here, and I wish everyone good luck. As you know, the T's and C's for this raffle, each £2 entry attributes to one entry prize. So if you gave us, for example, £6, you have 3 entries in this raffle, etc. As you know, with the prizes, the number one big one is £50 worth of Lani's kitchen. Anything from her menu, £50 worth. The second prize is a 50 pieces assortment platter that can include empanadas, veg and lumpia Shanghai. And the third prize, which is still pretty good, which is 2 tubs of homemade corned beef. Without delaying anything else, we are going to start with prize 3, which is the 2 tubs of homemade corned beef. All right. First prize, the third prize, this one here. We're going to spin it. Would you want to do the honors?
Yes,
all right,
please,
here we
yeah.
go.
Spin a win!
All right.
Ooh,
Remember,
exciting.
this is the corned beef for the third prize. Thank you for everyone contributing. Third prize, the winner is...
Dulce!
Fantastic. Congratulations, Dulce.
Congratulations, Dulce Amore!
We will be contacting you for your corned beef. The 2 tubs of corned beef.
Well, that's good though. That's
Yummy,
very
yummy.
good.
I will do the second prize. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Just for context, the second prize is 50 pieces assortments, which can include empanada and vegetable and Shanghai lumpia. Fantastic. Second prize. Who is the winner? Thank you for everyone who's taking part. The winner is... Rossell! Fantastic. Congratulations, Rossell.
Rossell Nava!
Fantastic. You have now won a 50-piece assortment platter. We will contact you very soon. Thank you so much for contributing. Thank you for everyone who's been contributing so far. Okay, the big one. The
Grand
big one.
prize. Grand
£50
prize.
worth.
Woo woo.
Would you like to do the honors?
Yes,
For the number one
please.
prize.
Woo.
Whenever you're ready, sir. This is the big one. Thank you so much for everyone.
Thank you!
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Number 1. Prize 1. Big one here, guys. Big one. And the winner is... Hema, you have just won the number 1 prize, which is
Hema.
£50 worth of anything.
Woo!
Anything.
That's a
Lani's
whopping
menu.
prize. Woo, woo,
We
woo.
would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone who has contributed to this raffle. It does mean a lot. It is supporting the things that we love, working as a team. Thank you so much for everything that you have done. And of course, happy birthday, happy 50th to my mum. God bless. Take care, everyone there.
Congratulations.
Congratulations for the winners.
Thank you.
You won our first Jaguar!
No. See you guys
Good
later.
evening.
Bye-bye.